Hi, this is Rob at Ascent360, the data-driven marketing communications platform that integrates with the business systems you already use. We bring all of that data into one centralized intelligent communications platform and enable you to use that data in order to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time and build stronger, more profitable customer relationships. Let's move over to the platform and I'll show you how it works. Today I'll show you how to set up a post-purchase email, an email communication going out the day after someone made a purchase, in this case a bicycle. We'll start with the audience builder. This is the tool you use to create the group of people to whom you want to send a communication. I want to reach everyone who's purchased a bicycle, so I'll go to my bicycle category by dragging category to this field, opening it up, and selecting bicycles. I've just created an audience of everyone who's purchased a bicycle. Now I want to add transaction date to that. I'll drag that over, open it up, use the calculator here to say I want that to be equal to everyone who purchased a bicycle one day before today. Today, this is everyone who bought a bicycle yesterday. Tomorrow, it'll be everyone who bought a bike today. This will be automatically updated as your data is updated every single day. Our next step is to save this audience. In this case, we'll call it bought a bike yesterday. Once that's saved, it'll show up in the next step as a choice to address your email to. We go back to the screen here in order to get to our email builder. In this case, design an email, and I'll choose the day after bike purchase template. I've already created this template, and once it opens up, we'll take a quick look at it and make sure it's exactly what we want to send. You know what? I want to change this image, so I just click Change Image. It brings us to my image library, and I'm going to choose Stock Images. And I think a bike racer in the mountains would be more appropriate. This is our email. We'll have a good look at it. This one happens to include a YouTube video as well as a menu. I'd like to double check to make sure it's working on mobile correctly. It does. That menu is all set up for mobile as well. And the email looks good. We're ready to send it. To send an email, simply hover over this blue button called Send Email and click it. You'll notice we never had to leave the platform to create a list, nor do you have to leave the platform to schedule and send your email. Sending an email is a step-by-step process. There's our audience, bought a bike yesterday. That's who we're sending to. It'll want to know who it's coming from. In this case, it's coming from our shop. Here's where you double check your subject line and add your Google tracking parameters. And then when it comes to scheduling, I'd actually like this to start, let's say tomorrow, and I want the recurrence to be set on daily. That way, this email will be sent out every day to that audience that updates every single day. We get a preview, the ability to send ourselves a test or anyone else who needs to approve it. And once that's done, simply hit continue here and we can schedule that send. That's how easy it is to create an automated email in Ascent360. Once you have your email campaigns up and running, simply come over to Manage Campaigns to see how they're doing. Our revenue attribution tool does more than show you opens and clicks. You'll actually be able to see the revenue driven by the different campaigns you have running. In this case, our post-purchase campaign, which is made up of actually 3 different emails, all of which we can see individual revenue numbers for, open rates, and click rates. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create an automated email in Ascent360. Thanks so much for watching.